Hi, this is the help video for PowerPoint Chapter 3, Pause and Practice number 3. We're going to go ahead and start here at step number 3, and we're going to go to the transitions section, and what I want to do is take away what we did in the last one. So we're going to uncheck the after, and we're going to check the on mouse click. So we're turning it back into where I have to click to go from slide to slide. We're going to apply that to all. And then if I look at my slide sorter, well, you know what, let me back up here a second. Let me undo that. So let me put this back on and go to slide sorter and show you. Do you see here the 3 seconds? And so now if I put the mouse click and take that away, apply to all, that 3-second is gone. So then we want to go to slide 4, and I do a right-click hide, but also you can go to Slideshow in the setup. There's the hide slide right there. So either place. Okay, so now we're going to go to slide 1, and we're going to do from begin. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to run through the slideshow from the beginning. So from beginning. And I'm going to click through because now I have to click. And notice when I get after 3, it skips 4. But if I hit the number 4 and press enter, it'll take me to that hidden slide. So even though you have a slide hidden, you can go to it by pressing the number of the slide, which means you have to know the number, and then the enter. So I'm going to go ahead and continue, and I want you to hit like a B. The minute you hit the B, it blacks out the screen. So that's a nice thing where if you're running a slideshow and then a discussion happens, or you want to talk about something and you don't want them paying attention to what's on the slides, you can hit the B. You hit the B, it brings back. If you keep going, you hit a W, it makes a white screen. All right, either of those allow you to blank out the screen while you're presenting. Okay, so now what we're going to do, set up slideshow. So slideshow, set up slideshow. We want to click the laser pointer and make it blue. Okay. So now we're going to click on the slideshow button down here at the status bar. And okay, so we want to right click. And in pointer options for pen, we're going to do ink color and make it blue. Then we're going to draw a circle around the word how. We're going to right click, pointer option, highlighter. So let's do light blue, and then pointer option, highlighter. And we want to find, nope, it did yellow. All right, it's fine. All we're trying to demonstrate here is that you can use the right button and come down here and select. See how highlighter's still selected? So as long as I have it selected, I can highlight things. Okay, so there I did a right click. Highlighter's still on. If I'm done with the highlighter, if I want to change the ink color, I go here, I change it. If I'm done with the highlighter, I can click on the highlighter and I'm back. So if we go to slide 13, okay, so this get help, right? So we want to highlight that. So I'm going to right click, pointer options, just going to validate my ink color is blue. I'm going to turn the highlighter on, and I'm going to get help, feedback. See, the highlighter's still on. So then I can move on to the next slide 17. I'm just using my space bar to move to 17. And how an audience. The big takeaway is that you have that pointer on until you click it again. And so now it's gone. So now if we're going to right click and go to pointer options, and eraser. Notice it's an eraser, and so then I can take away something if I didn't want it, right? So we want to delete what an audience, how an audience remembers. I'm going to go back, turn off the eraser, and come back because I removed a highlight that I shouldn't have. How? Right click, pointer options, turn off the highlighter. All right, so you know, it's whatever you have selected here, and we're going to go ahead and get out of our presentation, and we're going to say keep. So the point of the keep is, if we go back here, we have our circle. We have, of course, hopefully yours will be blue, but it shouldn't be a big deal if it's yellow. And then the highlights should still be there, right? So that last message is how you decide whether or not you want to keep your actions, or you're like when you're actually presenting and you're making a point and you're highlighting or you're drawing, whether you want to keep that moving forward or if you want to erase it because you just wanted it for that presentation itself. All right, we are done with this. You can submit this, and we are done with chapter 3. All right, thank you.